the ferry ride there. I've probably eaten like, I don't know, 6 little cups of the little chocolate bears that they were giving out. 10, maybe 10 cups. Pretty excited to get there.
First task on Phi Phi, finding our hotels. Okay, first activity, viewpoint, hike to the viewpoint.
Hiking. Finished our first night in Phi Phi. It is like 8 o'clock and we're going to bed because we have to wake up at 5 a.m. for a boat ride. It's raining and there are these weird frog noises outside and we're probably going to hear all the partying, which I want to do, but we'll have to do another night. So we're going to have to come back, but it's nighttime, so good night.
Good morning, it's 5:30 in the morning. We're about to head out to Maya Bay. This is 2 o'clock. Gonna head out, go to the boat.
We have to get snacks from 7-Eleven first.
Oh yeah, get some snacks.
Oh my goodness. We just pulled up, first boat of 3 to Maya Bay. Where are we?
Maya Bay. I'm obviously the DEANA'S, no?
Oh hey.
I'm EP. We're arriving at the next state, Phi Phi Lagoon. Awesome.